Hola, estudiantes. It's Mrs. Santiago here, and today we're going to take the notes for the frequency vocabulary. This vocabulary goes along with the ear practice and jugar practice so that you can say when you're playing or when you're going somewhere. So, frequency words. I'm in your OneNote, Chapter 3, Frequency Vocabulary. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and I'm going to make the page big. You can see that I've already put some items in for you. Okay, so frequency, a veces. By the way, in Spanish, frecuencia. How often do you do these things? Frecuencia. A veces, a veces, yo juego al béisbol. A veces, sometimes. Nunca, nunca, never, nunca. Siempre, always. Siempre, always. Now you can see I can put the word casi in front of it. Casi means almost. Casi nunca, almost never. Casi siempre, almost always. Después de clase, well, we know clase is class. Después de is an expression that means after. So después de clase, after class. Después de la escuela, after school. Muy bien. Now, the next section goes back to think about the calendar a little bit. Los fines de semana. Now, we've made fin plural. So, on the weekends. On the weekends, I do that activity. Yo voy al cine en los fines de semana. If I wanted to say this weekend, el fin de semana, get rid of the plural and make it el and then fin. Todos los días. Well, todos is total. Total of the days would be every day. I don't need the on, just every day. Los lunes. Lunes is Monday. So on Mondays. On Mondays. Los miércoles. On Wednesdays. So you can say any day of the week after los, and then you're saying that you do it on those days. Okay. The next four are the seasons. So when do you do that? En la primavera. Remember, prime time for planting and the word verde. Okay, so that's in the spring. En el verano, it's very hot in summer. Very hot in summer. En el otoño. Otoño reminds me of October, that's fall. En el invierno, in the winter. Okay, so those are your seasons. So those are your frequency words that you could use to say when you do an activity. Now we're going to talk about who do you do it with. Okay, well, the first thing we need to look at is here on the side. I like to remember the word cone. If you notice, all of these start with cone. So I eat my ice cream with a cone. Okay, cone means with, right? So cone in Spanish, cone is with. Okay, I eat my ice cream with a cone. Cone means with. So in English, it's C-O-N-E, but in Spanish, it's just C-O-N. So I actually just want to write the word cone alone in there. Cone equals with. So cone blank would be with, and then you could put a person's name in there. So name a person or people. Con mi familia. Okay. Con mis amigos, with my friends. Con mi familia, with my family. Now, the next two are really cool. They're unique to Spanish. Conmigo. And I always think go with me. Okay, with me. Conmigo. All one word. With me. Contigo. Go with you. Okay, with you. Yo voy contigo. I go with you. Con mis compañeros. With my classmates. Con mi clase, with my class. I studied Spanish with my class. Yo estudio español con mi clase. So the big thing to remember really is, right here, we have to remember cone means with. I eat my ice cream with a cone. Okay, we want to remember cone means with. Okay, cone means with. Okay, that's the end of these notes. Just a little quick note to add to what you're writing and expand that vocabulary. Gracias.